Hello again! You may have noticed that when you created your user, a profile avatar was assigned to you randomly. I am pretty sure that you love it, as we do, but sometimes putting a more familiar face will help your team collaborate better. If you want to change your avatar, navigate to the Profile section under the image on top of the screen and select a new picture. You can also fill in your name, your position, your telephone number, and other details here. Once the picture and the details are updated, you will see the avatar change on top of the screen. On the Profile section, you can also change your password in a simple way. Just type your current password and add your new password twice. A message will appear on the screen when the new password has been saved. And you're done! You can now continue working on your projects. Cheers and have a good day!